All right, hello everybody. It is first league night back from Baton Rouge. Hoping to get a better score than I did there, but we're on 19 and 20. I don't know how good the lanes are going to be because they had some people bowling on here. They had 5 games on our pair before, so I brought my Phase 2 that's polished, and then I brought my Ion Pro out because I'm guessing that they're going to be pretty scorched. But we're going to get some Monday blenders, so if you want to watch us on Facebook, he is recording live. So yeah, here we go. Let me set you up right here. Number 1, I've got my Baton Rouge crocodile jersey on, thanks to Billy for my birthday. He bought me this jersey. All right, so we're standing 22, and I'm looking at right at 8. Ooh, came off of it a little bit. So I think I mentioned this before. We had like 6-7 bowlers on our pair right before we started. So I thought the lanes are pretty scorched. So I'm starting with the Phase 2. It's a little polished. The Ion Pro didn't retain as much as I had kind of liked. And I have my absolute power, but it was a little slow too. So I'm starting with the Phase 2. Right now, let's see what happens here. A little lucky. There we go, Papa. Ooh, pulled that one a little bit. It's okay. I'm gonna buy 50-50 tickets. $5. All right, this was happening in Baton Rouge. Go ahead. My timing was off. I was getting there a little late, and I was pulling my shot to the left. So my second step is, I think, the culprit. I need to try to work on here. Well, I threw it out.
think we're on 22. I think we need to move to 23.
I'm gonna move up a little bit. I'm gonna move 1 and 1. There we go.
It's so weird. I throw that ball and it slides and it hooks a little bit and it slides and then it hooks again. It like double hooks. It's really weird. Probably because these guys before us had just, you know, there's like spots all over the plate. But I'll throw it, it'll slide and I'll see it hook about halfway down the lane. It'll start to hook this way and then it'll go, and then right before the pins, it just dives into it. So weird.
Oh, get over there.
It wanted to slowly creep over.
I don't know why, but this spare ball feels so heavy.
Oh, there we go. Oh, Joseph, that's not the ball to do on the 9th frame. Oh. I'm gonna switch to the absolute power because I think it's getting a little lazy. 1, 2, 3. All right, move a little bit. So I was on 23, so I'm missing on 25.
25, looking at 10.
All right, a little bit more speed. Thank God for our handicap. We won that one, 905 to 870. Blistering 189 for me. So you guys won't see the Nationals video until July when I get my footage and everything's all said and done. But the sponsor for that video was DH Labs. So they're out of Connecticut. It's a bowling supply store, and they've got like cleaning products and chamois, a bunch of things. So I want to give them a huge shout out. So they reached out to me and they made these custom chamois for me. So got a green and gold one, kind of like the leprechaun. My birthday's on St. Patrick's Day, and then of course a lot of my stuff is red and black. So big thanks to DH Labs for hooking these up. So this one's Billy's. That's not mine. So Billy's got his own. But anyway, yeah, so these are pretty awesome. So thanks to DH Labs for making this. If you want one, go look for them on Facebook, and I know they're on Instagram. Nice shot, Papa. But if you want one of these, I actually have some left. If you want to send me a comment, put down in the comments down below, and I'll send you a link, and you can actually buy one of these from me. I had this thing sanded down to 3,000 because it's from Baton Rouge, but
haven't had the chance to get this thing back to 4,000 the box. All right, so 27 looking at 11. There we go. I saw this lady throw the ball here out of the corner of my eye. Ball went halfway down the lane before it landed. I was sitting up there and I just see this ball going to like, I was like, threw me off. Yeah. All right, so I've been trying to stay more behind the ball, but I think since I'm now a little bit inside, I think I need to get a little bit more around it. A little more axis rotation here. That thing. See it slide over? Definitely not gonna do that because that just like killed my knee.
Without breaking your thumb off?
Pretty much. Switching to the Ion Pro. But I'm gonna say at the same line that absolute power just picks up too early, and if I move left, it doesn't have a lot of energy. So I'm gonna stay right on 25, looking at 11 with the Ion Pro. Yep, there we go. Oh, here we go, Papa. Oh, kept going. I thought he had it. All right. Thank you. Seriously, go pick yourself up a chamois from DH Labs. Pretty awesome. Oh, hit them all. I would take 9 out of that. I'd take 9 any day.
Ooh, that was flat. That was flat. Me. Oh. Good one to finish on, Joseph. Missed a damn 10 pin. 625. I'll take that as my first day back from nationals. All right, that's gonna do it for league night. 620 something. Not too bad from nationals. My first week back from nationals. A little rusty, knees a little sore, but hey, it's better than my national score. So anyways, we'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.